Hey everyone, welcome back. And today I want to do an update to the lawn renovation and massive seeding project that I undertook this past spring. Now the grass did need some help. I did not want to wait until the fall, so I did some scarifying and dethatching before seeding, and I've got videos that showed me doing that and the machine I used and everything. So now we're here in August and I want to show you what has happened with the lawn since that time. So we are here in the backyard and I mean, for the most part it does look really good. The grass is thicker and greener than in prior years, but what you are seeing is some crabgrass, okay, and some weeds, which I'm going to take you to show you some weedy areas. And from, one of my issues that I had seeding in the spring was that I really couldn't put, weed killers down and all the other things that you would normally do to prevent some of this, because my lawn is not healthy yet. When the lawn gets really healthy by using a quality seed like the Jonathan Green seed that I used when seeding this past spring, then it crowds everything out and you don't have as many issues. The soil is in better condition, so you don't have as many issues. Now back here, hopefully you can see this as we transition into the sun, a lot more crabgrass. And over here we were pretty bare, and I did get some more grass in here, but a lot of weeds that unfortunately I could not kill because I didn't want to kill the seedlings. Now over here though, this part was great. This is where I used the dense shade seed from Jonathan Green. And just look at this. This is like a carpet. And you actually, if you walk out here barefoot, it's so soft. This area is doing really well. Let's continue around to the other side. Okay, so this little side patch here, a little thicker, a little fuller, but again, we have some crabgrass that's growing here, but it's in better shape than it was this past spring. Same thing over here, thicker, fuller, and some crabgrass. As we continue down, you'll see it. So I'm thinking about doing some reseeding in a few weeks, or in September, as we get just a little bit cooler. I'm going to then go over it again and do some additional scarifying and plant seed here one more time. Okay, the main part of the yard looking good, with the exception of, again, some crabgrass in some spots. In this side patch here, a little bit better than last year, not much. This has always been a struggle. Let me see if I can, we've got the shade in the sun here. It's hard for you to see, I think. But a lot of weeds, a lot of crabgrass. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do here. I may just, this fall, just kill it and just do a brand new reseeding of this whole section back here and see what happens. So this is the update through August. Okay, so back in the backyard again, and like I said, when you just look at it from a little bit of a distance, it does look really good, and I am happy with the results so far. But this was a transformation that was going to take more than one application, and I think that's what we're seeing here. And I'm going to replant. I'm going to seed again this fall, and then in the spring I'll be able to put down some different some pre-emergence and some other things that'll help with the crabgrass and the weed situation, because like I said, I was unable to do that on top of some fresh seed this past spring. So follow along here. You're going to watch this thing continue to transform. Hit that like button and subscribe to get the updates, because as I continue these updates, I think you'll find that towards the end of next spring, this thing is going to be, like a beautifully maintained lawn, something that you're going to want to follow exactly what I did. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.